In the grass so green and deep, where the quiet creatures sleep, slither softly, smooth and slow, a scaly friend we'd like to know. Snake, snake sliding on the ground, moving without a single sound. No legs needed, see it glide, wiggling body side to side. Cold-blooded, warm in the sun, basking bright when day's begun. When it's chilly, it moves slow, nature helps it where to go. Forked tongue flicks in the air, smelling scents from here to there. That's how snakes can taste their way, finding food both night and day. Slither, slither, don't be afraid, snakes are part of nature's parade. Quiet, clever, sleek and neat, living life without 2 feet. Some lay eggs, some give birth, different types all around the earth. From tiny ones to long and wide, so many snakes the world can hide. Shedding skin from head to tail, like a shiny scaly veil. Growing bigger, fresh and new, that's what snakes are known to do. Some are bright with colors bold, red and yellow, green and gold. Others blend with sand and tree, hidden where you cannot see. Slither, slither, don't be afraid, snakes are part of nature's parade. Quiet, clever, sleek and neat, living life without 2 feet. Most are gentle, shy and wise, not looking for a big surprise. They help farmers every day, keeping pesky mice away. So if you see one pass you by, watch with wonder, don't deny. Snakes are special, cool and smart, a tiny treasure of the earth's big heart.
Hi kids! Hope you enjoyed our video. Please do not forget to like, share, hype, and subscribe to Nadi Kids. Thanks for watching and see you soon.